Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the new chapter Motions of the Earth, under which we are going to see in detail about the rotation of the Earth, effects of the Earth's rotation, day and night. Let's move into the video. Everything in the space moves. The sun, the stars, the planets and all other heavenly objects. The Earth too, it is in constant motion. In today's video, we have a surprise guest who just want to meet you all and will be traveling throughout this video giving us instructions. Let's welcome my astronaut friend, Dr. Ryan.
Hello children, the motions of the earth. Come, let's discover more.
Thank you, Dr. Ryan. Yes, Dr. Ryan, please explain the slide for us.
The two main motions of the earth, rotation and revolution.
Yes, the two main motions of the earth are rotation and revolution. What is meant by rotation? The spinning of the earth around its own axis is called the rotation. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation, and this one rotation makes an earth day, and it is also termed as the solar day. Coming to the revolution, the movement of the earth around the sun is known as the revolution, and it takes the earth's a little over 365 days or 1 year to complete a revolution around the sun. Effects of the earth's rotation. The rotation of the earth causes various things we will see one by one in detail. And in this video we will be seeing in detail about the day and night. The other effects are bulging at the equator and the flattening of the earth at the poles. The next one is the deflection. The deflection is nothing but pushing away from the straight path of the winds and the ocean currents. The next one is the tides. The alternate rise and fall of the oceans due to the gravity of the moon and the sun and the rotation of the earth, and the apparent move of all the celestial bodies from east to the west. We'll see the day and the night. As we saw, it is due to the rotation of the earth, and since the earth rotates from west to east, the sun appears to rise in the east. Yes, Dr. Ryan.
Don't forget, always from west to east.
Yes, of course, they don't forget. Because the earth is spherical in shape, only one side of the earth can face the sun at any time. The side that faces the sun experiences the day, and the side that is not facing the sun, that is turned away from the sun, experiences night. As the earth's axis is tilted, the different places experience different amounts of sunlight and darkness each day. Yes, Dr. Ryan.
Take a sheet of paper and draw a circle marking its axis. Mark the poles on it. It's really simple.
The line that separates the lighted half from the darker half of the earth is called as the circle of illumination.
Shine the torch on one side of the globe or a ball and turn the ball or the globe slowly. Note down what you observe on a sheet of paper. You will witness the concept.
For sure, Dr. Ryan, they will do it. In the course of 24 hours, places on earth experience each of these stages, that is from stage 1 to stage 6. one after the other. We will see from the dawn. So stage 1. The dawn is the time of a day just before the sunrise, when the eastern horizon starts getting lighter. The next stage is the sunrise, and stage 3 is the midday, and stage 4 is the sunset, and again stage 5 it is called as the dusk or twilight. It is just after the sun sets in the west. Most of the sky is dark, but there is a lingering light along the western horizon. The next stage is the midnight, and then the dawn again.
I always admire the sunrise. What about you?
Yes, of course, Dr. Ryan. All the people will love the sunrise. Me too. What do you think will happen if the earth fails to rotate? It will be disastrous if the earth fails to rotate, isn't it? The side of the earth facing the sun will always be lighted and will become extremely hot. The other side, what will happen? The other side will be dark and it will be freezing cold. So in these extreme conditions, the life forms will not be able to exist. The pattern of tides, ocean currents and wind system would change differently.
Don't worry. Stay happy. Bye, children.
Yes, Dr. Ryan, of course. We need to think positive and stay happy. Yes, children, in this video, we saw in detail about the rotation of the earth, effects of the earth's rotation, day and night, and along with Dr. Ryan, we traveled in this video. I will see you in the next video under the topic revolution. Thank you, children.